guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayush and today I'm gonna show you how to draw Orochimaru from Naruto. So first of all, we'll need a perfect square of 4 centimeters each side. I'll be using a 0.5 mechanical pencil for sketching and eraser stick for more accurate erasing. For inking, I'll be using two Copic Multiliners. First is a 0.05 Copic Multiliner for inking thin lines and a 0.1 Copic Multiliner for inking thick lines, a white pen of course for showing highlights, a charcoal eraser for erasing pencil lines after inking, some Copic Sketch Markers for coloring our drawing, and finally some Prisma color pencils for giving some highlights. So that's all. These are the materials I'll be using for drawing today's sketch. I'm drawing this character for the first time ever. I'm really excited to draw him, so without wasting any more time, let's do this. So first we'll start by drawing few of his hair. By drawing a curved line starting from this point, we'll take it downwards till the bottom of the box and a little outside of the box. And again we'll take it upwards, thin from below and thick from above. Draw one more curved line starting from the same point. We'll take it outside the box from bottom. Draw his face line a little below the middle line of box. Take it downwards and curve it at the bottom. Then draw a straight line till the middle line of box to draw his chin. We'll draw few more hair strands, one very close to the middle line of box. Leave some space and draw two more curved lines, one inside the box and one outside the box. We have placed his hair strands. Now it will be easier to fill the inside details in the left space. Draw a small line for his wrinkles between the eyes and then draw his eyebrow upwards very close to it. And we'll start drawing his right eye just below his eyebrow and around his hair strand. First draw shape of the eye. And on the right side draw his eyeball. Then draw a straight line in the center to complete his eye. Also draw some wrinkles below the eyes. Now start drawing his nose parallel to his right eye. Take it downwards and curve it below the middle line of box. And draw a nostril to complete his nose. We'll draw his left eye in the remaining small place between the hair strands. To draw his mouth, we'll draw a curved line upwards very close to the nose. Then we'll draw his upper teeth. And just below his upper teeth, we'll draw his long tongue going downwards. And don't forget to draw his purple eyeliner above his eyes. Our face is ready. Let's draw his remaining hair. First we'll draw a rough shape of his head with a very light hand and then we'll start giving detailing to it. Our head is also ready. Now we'll do the same for drawing his lower body. First we'll draw it roughly with a very light hand just to get a slight idea of the placement, size and proportion of his body parts. It's okay to do mistakes here. It does not have to be perfect. After placing his body parts and drawing it roughly, we have a base where we can draw our further sketch easily. I start by drawing his left hand first, starting from his sleeves. After drawing his sleeves, we'll draw his forehand and his hand holding the sword. Now for drawing his hand, I've already made a separate tutorial on how to draw hands step by step, which you can check out on my channel. After drawing his hand, we'll complete his left hand by drawing his elbow. Don't forget to draw the knuckles above fingers. And now we'll draw his sword first before drawing his other body parts, because everything is connected to it. So we'll complete the sword first, starting from his handle. It's very important to draw the upper part of handle correctly in correct position and in correct angle, which will be in this angle. It is not straight, it is slanting towards the right side, because if you don't draw the handle part correctly, then the angle of the sword will change too. Our handle is ready. Now with the help of a scale, we'll draw the blade thin from the left side and thick from the right side. Also, there is a symbol between the handle which looks like a comma. We'll draw that and give more detailing to the handle. Our blade is ready. Now we can start drawing the other body parts with the help of our rough figures, which we have already drawn. We'll extend his tongue till the blade of the sword. Draw the right shoulder on the right side of his tongue. Also extend his hair till his right shoulder. Now we'll draw the ropes which are behind him and around his belly. We'll draw their rough figures first, which will make it easier to give detailing, and then we'll just add curved lines one by one. Also draw the lower handle of the sword with the help of a scale. Our upper body is ready. Now let's draw his lower body. First we'll draw his left leg. And again we'll draw some rough figures to draw the other body parts. Once they are ready, start giving detailing to them. And our sketch is ready. Let's start inking it. For inking, first I am using 0.5 Copic Multiliner for inking thin lines around his face, and for the remaining body I'll use 0.1 Copic Multiliner for inking thick lines. While inking, try to keep a paper below your palm so that you don't smudge pencil lines. Do not over ink, try to do it in one go. Keep calm, do not hurry, take your time and enjoy the process. is complete, guys. I'm really happy with the results. It exceeded all my expectations because I thought Orochimaru is a simple character which doesn't look so attractive. There's not any complications to draw him. But no, I was wrong. I was surprised after completing the drawing. It looked so good. Also, this drawing was really easy to draw. It was not so difficult. I enjoyed a lot drawing him, especially coloring him. And for the first time, I tried to give highlights to the character more than usually I do. And it looked way better than before. I was so happy with the highlights I did at the end. I'm gonna try to do this in my further drawings too. So I hope you like this sketch and this video is helpful to you all. If you liked it, then drop a like and share your views down below in comment section, and share this video with your friends so that more people can watch it. And if you have not subscribed yet, then you need to subscribe because there are a lot more awesome drawing tutorials, speed drawings coming up in the future. So you don't want to miss them out, and do ring the bell to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. You can even follow me at Twitter, Instagram and Facebook at Ayush Pencil Art to get my latest drawing updates. I'll be also sharing the links down below, so go check them out. And that is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.